What's up guys? Kumusta kayo? It's me again, Joseph Kate. So for today's video guys, let's talk about East-West debit cards. Pag-uusapan natin guys kung paano nga ba magkaroon ng East-West debit cards at saka yung frequently asked questions kung ano-ano nga ba yung mga kadalasang tanong regarding East-West debit card. At the same time, kung ano yung perks and benefits in having East-West debit cards. Pero bago yun, nais muna kitang imbitahan na mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko kung bago ka pa lang kasi marami pa po akong i-share ng mga tutorials, knowledge, and experience of mine in the future. Kaya naman huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe para updated kayo lagi sa mga vlogs na i-upload ko. Yun lang po at sobrang maraming salamat po. So as you can see guys, ayan, debit cards. Shop, dine, debit with East-West. Get your debit card right away when you open an account with us. So, kapag nag-open kayo ng savings account sa kanila, it comes with East-West debit cards. Get more from your East-West debit card. Access your funds anywhere in the world. Withdraw cash from over 1.9 million ATMs worldwide. So, ibig sabihin, even dito sa Pilipinas, outside the Philippines, pwede kayo makapag-withdraw ng funds from your East-West savings account. Siyempre, it comes with charges kapag outside the country, tapos pag hindi siya East-West machine, so kapag BDO or BPI, may charge yun, pero minimal lang naman. Unless, outside the country siya, medyo mataas yun. Enjoy exclusive perks. Take advantage of discounts and offers when you use your card at our partner merchant. Shop conveniently online and offline. Use your card in over 61 million Visa-affiliated establishments and online merchants here and abroad. So, ibig sabihin guys, kahit wala kayong internet, gamit yung debit card ninyo sa East-West, pwede kayo makapamili gamit lamang yung card ninyo. Secure your debit card via EasyWay. Conveniently control where to use your debit card, ATM, POS, or point of sale, and online. So ito yung East-West debit card na sinasabi ko guys, Visa siya. Spend smartly and hassle-free with debit card. Ito yung itsura niya guys. Ayan, nakita nyo naman kulay yellow. Visa debit card. Get access to your funds and spend without surprises. Track your spending effortlessly using EasyWay application. Kasi kapag may savings account kayo guys, makikita nyo doon nakalink yung East-West debit card ninyo sa East-West EasyWay application. Then ito guys, meron pang isang kulay ng East-West debit card which is purple siya. Visa Sustainable Debit Card. Go green with every debit made from recycled plastic. So itong kulay na to guys, itong purple is recycled siya. Then ito guys, meron silang Visa Platinum Debit Card. Enjoy exclusive perks and privileges at partner merchants, waive fees, and VIP services. Kasi as you can see guys, VIP siya, debit card which is East-West priority. Ibig sabihin, ito ay ini-issue lamang sa mga selected clients ni East-West. Pero itong dalawa, itong East-West Sustainable Debit Card at saka itong Visa Debit Card na kulay yellow at saka yung purple, sa mga normal na tao. Then ito namang East-West priority, para siyang platinum na credit card, para to sa mga invited client nila. So ito guys, yung perks and benefits ng Visa Debit Card. So as you can see guys, ayan, dalawa sila, same lang naman, East-West Visa Debit Card. Access your account and spend mindfully anywhere in the world. So ito yung features and benefits ng dalawa na yun, yung kulay yellow at saka purple. Features and benefits. Go cashless when you shop. Link your debit card to Lazada, Shopee, Zalora, and other shopping apps you trust and buy from. Pay your subscription with debit card. So using your debit card, pwedeng nyo bayaran yung mga subscription nyo, Netflix, any platform that requires auto-debit arrangement. Control where you debit. Easily manage where you allow debit card transactions using EasyWay. So ito naman guys, yung Visa Platinum Debit Card. Tulad ng sabi ko na parang platinum, which is platinum talaga siya. East-West Visa Platinum Debit Card. Elevate your experience with our multi-awarded priority banking. Unlock premium benefits, waive fees, and VIP services. So ito yung features and benefits ng Platinum Debit Card ni East-West guys. Enjoy waive ATM withdrawal fees. Be delighted with waive fees when withdrawing from any of the 1.9 millions ATMs with Visa Mark worldwide. So ibig sabihin kahit BDO man yan, BPI, or anumang bangko yan or machine, naka-waive yung withdrawal fee using your East-West priority or Visa Platinum Debit Card. Experience premium perks, take pleasure in exclusive perks and privileges at partner merchants we have chosen to match your discerning taste. Be treated like VIP since ito ay priority nga. So parang it comes with a VIP treatment. Start saving with S2S. So, you have to open an account, guys. Like, for example, a passbook or regular savings account. Then, it comes with S2S Visa debit card. So, yung makukuha nyo lang, guys, is yung purple at saka yung yellow. Tapos, ngayon, yung platinum debit card naman is by invite siya. Hindi siya ina-apply. Ini-invite lang kayo ni S2S. So, kapag na-invite kayo, then, yun, magkakaroon kayo ng ganun. So, ngayon, guys, pag-uusapan natin kung paano mag-open ng account naman sa S2S para magkaroon kayo ng Visa debit card ni S2S. Download and fill out the account opening form. Pangalawa, email the completed form and requirements. Pangatlo, visit your preferred store upon receipt of email confirmation to claim your card. So, ibig sabihin, kapag na-approve yung application ninyo, guys, for opening and savings account, kailangan nyo mag-visit sa nearest S2S Unibank. Then ngayon, guys, dapo naman tayo sa mga frequently asked questions, yung mga kadalasang tanong about S2S debit cards. So, how can I get a debit card? You will get an S2S Visa debit card when you open an account. It is an instantly issued by S2S stores and must be activated via S2S ATM. So, kapag nabigyan na kayo, ma-activate lamang ito using S2S ATM, yung machine. What are the benefits of the S2S Visa debit card? It comes with the following benefits: perks and discounts at partner merchants, no annual fee since ito ay debit card, free withdrawal at S2S ATM, free card replacement upon expiry. So kapag nag-expire siya, libre lang yung replacement niya. Can I use my debit card internationally? The answer is yes. S2S Visa debit card may be used overseas for ATM withdrawal, point of sale, kapag nag-shopping kayo abroad, and e-commerce transaction. Please ensure that your card is enabled for transactions you intend to make. So, kailangan naka-enable yung international transactions. At hindi siya naka-lock, of course. How can I manage my debit card? You can manage your debit card using EasyWay. You may simply toggle on per transaction. Channel when you want to use your card and toggle off when you don't need to transact. This is an added control and security we provide to our customers. Ibig sabihin, pwede nyo i-lock, pwede nyo i-unlock kapag hindi nyo siya ginagamit para maiwasan ninyo yung unauthorized transactions. Are there set limits to debit cards? The answer is yes. See default daily limits below. Maximum daily withdrawal per transaction is 20,000 pesos. Maximum daily withdrawal per transaction is 20,000. Maximum daily purchase limit is 50,000. Kapag nag-withdraw kayo, 20,000 lang. Then kapag nag-purchase kayo using your debit card via PIN, 50,000 yung limit. What should I do when my card get lost or stolen? Immediately report by calling our customer service 632-8888-1700. If you have access to EasyWay, immediately toggle off your allowed transactions via Manage Cards feature. So ilalak nyo dapat agad kapag nawala yung S2S Visa debit card ninyo to avoid unauthorized transactions. So ito guys, quick reminder lang that debit cards ni S2S naglalaman ng confidential details. Dapat alam nyo to para maging aware kayo. Dapat alam nyo kung paano pangalagaan yung S2S debit card details kasi confidential yan. Yung card number, expiry date, at saka yung CVC sa likod. Dapat huwag na huwag yung pinagkakalatian at saka yung personal PIN ninyo. Kasi kahit yung card details lang, pwedeng gamitin yung pang online transactions. Of course, kapag alam yung PIN, pwedeng makapag-withdraw sa ATM or sa savings account ninyo using your S2S Visa debit card. So I think that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. It's Megan Joseph Kate that says, we don't have cash because we go for cashless transactions. Bye-bye!